Hello dear students, welcome to the video. Today our chapter is how many squares. In this video we are going to discuss about understanding the concept of area and perimeter, comparing the area of different things, solving simple problems related to the measurement of area and perimeter. A square has 4 equal sides 1, 2, 3, 4. The side of the red square on dotted sheet is 1 cm. Draw here as many rectangles as possible using 12 such squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many rectangles could you make using 12 such squares? We can make 7 rectangles. Each rectangle is made out of 12 equal squares. So all have the same area, but the length of the boundary will be different. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. This is the perimeter of a square. Now, this is the perimeter of a rectangle. But the area measures the space inside a shape. See the area in the rectangle, the area of square. We can say that length of the boundary is perimeter. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Area of square is equal to side into side. Area measures the space inside a shape. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Which of these rectangles has the longest perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. First rectangle, 2 into 12 plus 1 is equal to 26 cm. Second rectangle, 2 into 7 is equal to 14 cm. Third rectangle, 2 into 7 is equal to 14 cm. Fourth rectangle, 2 into 8 is equal to 16 cm. Fifth rectangle, 2 into 8 is equal to 16 cm. Sixth rectangle, 2 into 8 is equal to 16 cm. Seventh rectangle, 2 into 13 is equal to 26 cm. So which of these rectangles has the longest perimeter? Now you can see here rectangle number 1 26 cm and rectangle number 7 also 26 cm. From the figures we can say that the rectangle of size 1 into 12 has the longest perimeter. Now say which of these rectangles has the smallest perimeter? Here we can see second rectangle 14 cm, third rectangle also 14 cm. From the figures we can say that the rectangle of size 3 into 4 has the smallest perimeter. Measuring stumps. Look at these interesting stamps. Each square is of side 1 cm. How many squares of 1 cm side does stamp A cover and stamp B? First, how many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Stamp A covers 18 squares of 1 centimeter side. How many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp B cover? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stamp B covers 8 squares of 1 centimeter side. Which stamp has the biggest area? Area of stamp A, area of stamp B, area of stamp C, area of stamp D, area of stamp E, area of stamp F. Let us count the length and breadth of the stamp. Stamp A length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 1, 2, 3 is equal to 18 square centimeter. Then stamp B 4 into 2 is equal to 8 square centimeter. Then C 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Then D 4 into 3 is equal to 12 square centimeter. Then E 2 into 2 is equal to 4 square centimeter. F 4 into 3 is equal to 12 square centimeter. Hence, stamp A has biggest area because it has 18 squares. How many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? This stamp has 18 squares of side 1 centimeter. How much is the area of the biggest stamp? The biggest stamp is in the shape of rectangle. The area of the biggest stamp is length into breadth. Here 3 into 6 is equal to 18 square centimeter. Which two stamps have the same area? Stamp D and stamp F have the same area. How much is the area of each of the stamps? We know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So, area of stamp D is equal to 4 into 3 is equal to 12 square centimeter. Area of stamp F is equal to 4 into 3 is equal to 12 square centimeter. Therefore, area of stamp D is equal to area of stamp F. The area of the smallest stamp is dash square centimeter. The area of the smallest stamp is 4 square centimeter. Area of smallest stamp E is equal to length into breadth is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4 square centimeter. The difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp is dash square centimeter. Area of the biggest stamp is 18 square centimeter. Area of the smallest stamp is 4 square centimeter. Then the difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp is 18 minus 4 is equal to 14 square centimeter. Practice time. Find the perimeter of the following figures. A 8 cm length, 4 cm breadth. B 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm. Here opposite side of the rectangle also 8 cm and this side 4 cm. So the boundary is equal to 4 cm plus 8 cm plus 4 cm plus 8 cm is equal to 24 cm or perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Here length 8 cm plus breadth 4 cm is equal to 2 into 12 is equal to 24 cm. So perimeter is equal to here 24 cm. Now for the triangle, let us A is equal to 5 cm, B is equal to 6 cm and C is equal to 7 cm. So here A plus B plus C is equal to 5 cm plus 6 cm plus 7 cm is equal to 18 cm. Here perimeter is equal to 18 cm. How many squares do the stamps cover? Let us draw lines here. Join the lines. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 into 4 is equal to 20 squares. Let us draw lines on stamp B. Let us count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 into 5 is equal to 30 squares.